to my YouTube channel again, and today I have got a new toy, so that I'm going to show you by opening. So this is a toy. It's a Play-Doh set. I really wanted it for a long time and now I have got it. So let's get started to open. Okay. We need a scissor, I guess. Okay guys, I have already got the scissor and you can see my Play-Doh. Play-Doh said it's a mini workshop. So let's start opening. I think we should cut it from here. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's opened. A little bit of opened. Oh yes, finally. Getting opened quickly. Top. There we go, it's opening. Yay! We have got the plastic off already. And look at this, guys. It's a mini shop. It's a mini workshop, and you can see that there's a lot of things over here. So, oops, there's some more packages over here. Okay. Oh, we open, I think, from here. Oh, I think it's a box. I think we have to open it like that. So, really actually doing that, I really don't know. This is my first time to get a Play-Doh, so I'm just so excited. And getting time to open. Eee. Okay, I think it's already opened. Yeah. Can't open it. Help me. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Guys, I have my Play-Doh set. Oh my gosh. So I think these are the two colors of Play-Doh. I have so many colors over here too. And you can see there's some of the shapes. And what's over here? No, nothing. So, oh my gosh, let's open the shape first. So, yes. There we go. And I think this is a penguin. Wow, that's so cute. You can see the shape over here. The shape. This part. I'm really not seeing it. Okay, now. See? Okay, let's open the next shape. Whoa, we have a lot of tiny shapes. See? There's a lot of tiny shapes. Like we have like a window. I think a butterfly. I don't know what is this. This is star and a moon. I think this one is sun or something. Why, I don't know. Star shape, plus sign, circle, butterfly, and what is this shape? I really don't know. So let's keep it for now. And you can see that, what is this? Whoa, what is this? I think we have to push it out like that. So I think it became a shape. Oh my gosh, this is a swan shape. Look at that, it's a swan shape. So detailed and colorful. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open all the Play-Dohs. I really want to feel them. It's so amazing. Okay, let's first open the pink and red. So, okay. Oh. Whoa, it's so mushy. Wow. Oh my brother. So nice. The squish it and yuck. So gooey. Smells kind of nice. I think it has some of the sparkles, I guess. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so nice. Okay. Let's try this shape. Where? Let's see of trying these cute shapes like this one. So I'll try this one. mercy of trying that, turning it, getting it flatter like that, and now we gotta push it in. So let's try about, I think we have to plan it more. I don't want to do it in the bed because it will get dirty, so I'll just do it over here. It will be fun. Okay, I'll show you. I hope I can show you. Can you see it? Okay, I have planted it over here nicely. So let's see if it fits. Pretty sure it fits. Now let's press it. Press it out. Can you see it? There we go. Now let's see of opening it, okay? Oops. Okay, pretty much opened. Kind of not really. Not really getting it opened. See? Not really. Let's try some other shapes with the pink Play-Doh. What about this squishing thing? Let's see if squishing. I think I should put the hole. There's a hole over here. Yeah. Okay. Pretty. তারপর দোকানের লোকটাই বুঝলো যে জোরে কিনবো বলে তো দোকানের লোকটা কাছে কি কত বয়স বাচ্চা আমি একটু 12 বছর তো বড় হয়ে গেছে আমি একটু ছেলে বাচ্চা বলে কি দেবে সেও কি প্লাস্টিক সেই কুড়িয়ে ঠিক করে না পাজা টাইপের Okay, pretty surely I have pressed it. So let's see what is. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a lipstick shape. It's a lipstick shape. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, press it more so it becomes a snake. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Okay, let's press it again. So it became kind of more. Okay, I think it's off. Now it's done. Wow, oh my gosh, guys, it's amazing. There's a little much of this. I don't think this will fit in. Let's help it become. Oh no, it's breaking it off, but look at this shape, it's so nice. Oh no, I think just jump the seat. I think I have to press it again because some of them are inside. Let's get it out. Okay. What? Oh my god. I didn't really use these kind of stuff, so I'm really not surprised to get it. Come on! Get out already! Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Whoa, this is like a shape. It became. Yeah. Get out all their dust. Wait a bit. Oh no, there's making a dirty on the bed. Oh no. I think I better put it on my board so it doesn't make a big mess. There we go. Okay, that I think that I have already have my scissors, so I can just push it out with my scissor. Just pop it like that, and there we go. Already getting it off. Already getting it off. Almost. This needs a time. Okay, so I have got a lot of dust. There they are. I really like this piece, so it makes the Play-Doh straight, you know? Makes the Play-Doh very straight. Okay, let's try another pieces because we have more we have this one because we have already tried this one. So if I tried this one, I will make a little small piece for that. And we also have this one over here, and we also have the penguin. So let's first try with this one. Okay. I'll just get a little bit from the snake. I think that's good. Move all these. We can make a very much ladder spade. Plus, you can see it. Can you see it? Wait, let me hold it like that. Yes, can you see it now? Okay, I think that's a good spot. Go, there we go. Okay, that's good. Okay, pretty much good. There we go. You can see. Now I can use my shape tool. Pretty sure they're not fitting, but I'll try these. This much only, okay? Oh no, the star is fitting in, so let's try of pushing it down. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I think we have to put all of the excess out and then get it out. So let's see us putting all the excess out. Wait. Okay, so I have get at all the excess out. So whoa, guys, you can see that I have made these all shapes. Can you see it? Yeah. See a starfish or something, butterfly, and 2 windows. It's just so nice, guys, so nice. Okay, first improvement, and now let's start with the penguin. I'm so excited about the penguin. So there's some of them, so I'm just going to not ruin with what I have made with this one. So and yes, so let's put everything inside like that, smushing. There we go. Smush. Oh no, I don't think I should do like that. I should plan it out first. Like that. Okay. Done it, and let's make some more room. Oops, I think, oh no. There we go, look at that. It's the shape. Okay. And now we just smush it in, I guess. Yeah. Pressing it. Can you see it? Wait, I have to act like that again. Okay, you can see it now. So we just get it a press and get off the excess. There we go. Almost done. Yeah. I think that's good. I don't have to remove anymore. It's almost good. I have to remove more. Yeah, it's pretty good, okay? Whew. Oops, sorry guys. The camera is a very difficult thing. So now let's get off. Let's get it up. Yay! Really not proof the eyes is, but look at that. It's really a pretty nice thing. I love it. Okay, now let's do the swan. We have some more Play-Dohs. I think it will be enough. See? and then smashing them up. Smash it up. I think that's good. We need more, so I'll just add this piece. The shape that we made, remember? The stars and everything. Sorry, it got ruined, but it's fine. This is the last shape, guys. So let's make it faster, and then see you on my next video where I'm going to use the Play-Dohs to make my shapes more even better. Okay. Now plate it in. Okay, so guys, you can see it that I have made this one, and so let's push it in. This one, I would do it faster because the time gets ended, so let's put it goodly and nicely. Okay, time to get the excess off. Okay, pretty sure it's off, so yay! Look at that, guys. The shapes are beautiful. I love it so much. So guys, this was the end of my vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please like this video and please press on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys will be notified when my new vlog going to come. That means Play-Dohs, every colors, every shape, more barely I'm going to show you. So see you for that, guys. Bye.